how to find YouTube video idea that go viral. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can find YouTube video ideas that go viral. So let's get started. If you are a YouTuber and if you are just trying to make YouTube videos, you are completely new to YouTube, you might be wondering how to go viral because we know getting viral is really important on YouTube and it gets us views and views earn us money. So we are always looking for different ideas, different, videos that go viral and we wonder how did it happen, and you might also be wondering how you can find different ideas that will make your YouTube channel grow like crazy and make your videos go viral. So I am right now on youtube.com. We know YouTube is an amazing video sharing platform with a lot of different tools, and it's really famous with a large number of audience. So the first way you can find the trending topics on YouTube is going to be the Explore. So what I want you to do is you will simply go to Explore, and then we have the trending option right here. So if we want to go into the trending, if we want to trend on YouTube, we need to check what is trending on YouTube actually. So what you can do is you can simply go to trending and you can observe. That's what you need to do. So what happens is these are the all trending videos, and you can see right here, like this video has 41 million views in just 16 hours. Then we have one day and it has 10 million views. So you can see right here, then we have like 23 hours and this one has 1.3 million views. So you might be now wondering like, okay, these are the different channels that are actually really famous, but what we are doing here is we're actually checking the niche these videos are in. This is what is important. You need to go for a special niche, different topics, because we know different topics to give you different result on YouTube. So what happens is there are different niches that do pretty well on YouTube, and then there are different niches that don't do that much well. For example, the technology and gaming niche, any video on technology and gaming has more revenue than the others, and then it also goes viral. So even in like trending, you will actually check out these are all like tech related videos and gaming videos, very random videos that are going on trending. So this is really important. You need to select a niche that is actually a hot topic and that is good on YouTube. So these are different niches that you can actually check out. For example, if I open up these videos right here, this is actually one of the niche that I would like to mention. Most people don't kind of like consider this. The next way you can actually find a viral idea is going to be to Google Trends. What I want you to do is simply go to trends.google.com. So different platforms that are related to Google will have the results right here, and we know everything is available on Google. Google is the biggest search engine. So what you can do is we can actually check out different topics and we can check out what's trending and where it's trending through Google Trends right here. So what you can do is you can search for a topic. Let's say you want to kind of like go for a music video, or maybe let's say that you want to go for a gaming video. So what I will do is I will simply click on the gaming, just type in the keyword for your video. So we're gonna go with gaming right here, video. So what I will do is I will simply click on the gaming, just type in the keyword for your video. So we're gonna go with gaming right here, and I'm gonna search, and this will actually give us all the results for our word right here, and I will be able to check that what's the status for this word right here. So you can see right here it was very high in the March of 2021, but right now it's kind of like decreasing. So now I know, changed the location right here, and I went for worldwide, so we will have a better idea. And no matter, you can see right here worldwide, or you can actually go for let's go for maybe US, so you will know. So I'm gonna just go ahead, I'm gonna go for United States. Okay, let's go with this one. There you go. So we have right here, you can see right here, it was very high in March, but now it's kind of like decreasing, and that's like the prediction. So now I know that gaming is decreasing right now, but still I have a better idea that in which state I'm going to be getting the more view from, and these are the different searches done on Google. So now I know how many people and from where people are actually searching for this keyword. This is the way you will actually be able to find trending words and keywords for your videos that will help you create a viral video. The next way to go viral on YouTube is going to be the YouTube Shorts. Now, you will not hear this from most of the people whenever they're telling you about that what are the different ways to go viral on YouTube. They don't mention this, but this is like a personal experience. What I have noticed that YouTube Shorts actually helps you go viral. So you can see right here, this is a YouTube short. This is like just a 1-minute video, and you can see right here in 20 hours it has 408k views. If I scroll down right here, this one is a short video which is just 21 seconds, and it has 667k views in just one day. So if your channel is new and if you want your channel to go viral, if you want your videos to go viral, then I would suggest start with the short videos on YouTube, because short videos are going viral on YouTube. Now, this is also a YouTube short. This is 1-minute video which got like 4.7 million views in 3 days. So this is really important. If you want your videos to go viral, I would suggest you should try YouTube Shorts, get the audience, and then you will also be able to create viral long videos, for example an 8-minute video or 10-minute video. When it comes to finding the viral ideas, then we need to kind of focus on evergreen viral ideas that actually do pretty well. So for example, if I type in cute animal videos, because we know these are the kind of videos that go viral any time of the year, right? So I can simply go to cute animal videos. So these are the different kind of topics that are evergreen, and they have the capacity to go viral anytime, like a cute cat video or maybe an animal video. So these are the kind of videos that do pretty well as well. You can see right here in just 1 month this one has 3.6 million views. In 2 days this one has 486k views. So this is really an idea that you can go for. If we go to again, if I go for gaming or tech, so you can see right here for gaming and tech we have in 3 weeks 2.7 million views. Then right here in 5 months we have 3.9 million views. So when it comes to tech and gaming, this is an idea that you can go for. Video ideas that you should definitely check if you are looking for ideas to go viral on YouTube, then it is gaming and tech. Another video idea that will help you go viral on YouTube is the beauty videos. Beauty is a huge community on YouTube. So if you are an influencer and if you're looking to create videos, then you can go for beauty videos as well. You can see right here these are in just 3 hours this one has 7k views. In 1 month this one has 2.2 million views. So you can also go for beauty videos. And when it comes to finding different trending ideas, then you can also do a random search on YouTube by yourself, and you can go for different topics, search for different topics before you create a video. Right here on YouTube you can actually check out again you can go to explore, and in explore you will actually have a better idea. You can go for music and gaming, and you can observe that what kind of videos are actually going viral, and then you will have a better idea. This is the niche I should go for, and these are the topics that are going viral. Go for upcoming things as well. For example, if there is an upcoming movie or any trending topic, for example there is if it's a Super Bowl, then you can make videos on that in that season. If it's a new show, for example Squid Game just came out, right, and everybody is making video on that, so you will have an idea that okay, this topic is trending nowadays, so I should make a video on this. So this is like a basic common sense that you should also use, and keep an eye on different factors, that what are the different topics that are trending, and then you will make a video on that, and your video will also be trending. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to find YouTube video ideas that go viral. Don't forget to give this video